Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.